Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special remedy for cold, losing of weight, and again lady that have menstrual pain. If you miss all those things that you are seeing, boil it together and be drinking it morning and night, half cup of thin cup. So you see how your menstrual this thing will relieve you and you flow well and you get yourself and you reduce your weight again. You have a big tummy, your tummy will reduce, you lose weight. It's very good remedy. So you can see parsley, see ginger, garlic, and lemon orange. You can see it. No, say lemon orange, you have different color. You will see the green one and this yellow one. If you see the green one, is good also. Then you mix all of them together and boil them together. Make sure you wash all your parsley, ginger, garlic, wash them very well. This one is washed already. So make sure you watch the video till the end and you see the work of it. I know you guys have been trying watching my video. Continue. God will bless you guys. Keep watching. So I will boil it now and see how the color will be. It will come out very fine and you take it. It's not bitter, even though it's bitter, it's good because this lemon now will make bitter a little. So keep washing. And see, this is the water. Wash it very well before you cook it. This is the pot. Wash it inside your water. Put it inside your water and wash it very well because of the sand. See the pot. See the quantity of the water inside the pot. Garlic, ginger, parsley, and lemon. See the lemon, don't peel the back, just slice it inside like that. Just slice it inside and you boil them together. Keep washing them. Wow, you guys can see it on the fire boiling now. This is how you boil it on the fire. Allow it to boil it very well so that the water will have taste. So I'll leave it for fire like 10 minutes. So you guys can see, you allow it to boil, then and see the water start boiling well. You use cup and face small. How you face small. If you want the water to change color, you put lifting also good. You put 1 bar of lifting inside, but if you don't want lifting inside, you can drink it like this. Now the taste you know, don't look the water because as lifting no dey inside, it won't change color. It will just be like ordinary water, but when you drink it, you see the taste and you will know the work of it. So filter it in case of this thing inside. And see, they're very hot too. But if you test them now, you see how the taste will be. So, and see, my sister is testing it. Wow. The taste come out. So when you are drinking it, you feel the taste of parsley, ginger, garlic, and lemon inside, and you enjoying it. So it's good for cold, losing of weight, and menstrual pain. When you are taking it every time, you not have all this problem again. So that is all for cold remedy. Please, thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel comment for it. I know you guys have been trying for me. You see the fire boiling because I won't leave it for fire to boil very well. So I know you guys have been trying for me. I still need your help. I'm begging you guys. I need your help. I still need more my channel to grow. So please try for me, and God will reward you. God will bless you and your family. So that is all for co-remedy. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.